kinds of troubles that come in her way while seeking her beloved husband, who was separated from her by the rivals, her husband Punhu's brothers. She traveled through high and rough mountains, deserts, and the pain of journey was the source of her enlightenment as she becomes Punhu herself. जांजो पेही पाण में कयम रूह रिहाण त नको डूंगर डेह में नका केचिन काण पुन्हू थियस पाण ससुई ता सूर होया. Through traveling, through love, she becomes God herself. In the search of God, in search of Punhu, she became Punhu herself. हल्लु हिये सी होत दे पेरे कर्म पंध राई पुछ मरंद ऋण रूहानी ससुई. Go to your beloved through your feet, by your feet, and if